what akwa proud. It won't yet hang say. And obi comes at na poki. Obi had in the poki no the now I was say a bear. You better watch here I got it. So it brought some kind of, a watchdog spirit be wo yina yemu. Ti wo area wa na wo twetwe nkon. Ko fobua. Omutimi hwa anwumre obi ani wa. Nom di nwura akogu certain area. Se bredru na se adwuma ye be ni aye ni ya. The truth of the matter is say adwuma besesa, but it will depend on the team. Se be yo mu enkrama omo asenso omo ntimi nkadia and e be ceremonial. But looking at the team omo de at least some military officers be akeka ho no a money more strong. But how sustainable is this? The sustainability of this is important. How to sustain this very, very vital. Oti ko no bia betimati ko. Ye penny pa mo makoranzo ye betimi ama. But the sustainability plan here is saying because a very, very, very good initiative. We have to put people into checks. Ti nipa de oho na wa mena hu se de oye bia wo hwe na consequences so beba de oye ne so a enipa ne sabi oho a otimi ya de ope bia but am no be hu se wani hwe no it becomes careful enti Zuba and the assembly no this is a very worthy cause yeah, but how sustainable is this? Team Nekon, how well can we trust them on this very good initiative? Because Ebama Yenina, very, very good initiative. But we still have to ask questions. Our parliament fear Konadu Abuaje Henrita. Ono Nekasama Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. But if you are a marche, I could do marche. Now, a bomb to say, the body I say. My Asha says, this new team are for me in some Omo call mandate. Omo jumanka sombe saying.
That's your moment chair with one pay. But you pay. No, say I dare every day. And key also making if you can someone community say the good boy office now is nobody. Now I'm near a pay. Saying, oh, you put some achieving accuracy. If you can't do the by sanitary and research education. So, all the good ways to say it's a little to conforming to standard and MIS everywhere.
Okay. Eti, we know, I ain't funny jurisdiction, Ankasa, because I don't know how our more segment you more area so more bekono.
Yeah, if I talk, yeah, you could see you shall say free. Anything in right, you shall say free, and shall come. Since you only the champion, into the Champion Plaza specifically, in the you put me.
Now, so far, Mukoi, my auntie has a match in Pakakra, Dipa Bear saying that DNA. The cause of arresting.
Okay. Because only 12 May to be before court.
12
time.
Okay.
Now I think it's now conducting in the dream. That's the young conformance pretty sports. And I said, be a bath and we can locally into be a bath. the customer said that na a home so I saying we so or see a hotel facility. The term the other dam sites are home 2 we share in Shibola. So she now share now. We so or you innovation which you see into the real or the corner and I said the wallet and I'm supposed to do no much to show where the to such a to plastic now where to and debris next week the meters and other things which you can which you never do better this is so innovation which you see in Aquafania can crack more flow than outflow the like here find the good. That's an intention. It be one teaching. It's not really over. This is the front page. I hope I only hope. This is a good in the senior association. Okay, card now the car is something lady doing every woman. Until we find out we need to ask someone. This is in the world. It's something from people that you had done near the 2 years. You go into Sandy man, the church, not any a sanitary inspection, which is standard now, and meeting, and meeting, it's media, Sunday, man,
I see. I'm going to do how different would this be? Because the temples are say, Kaya. Can you know, say, since some about what no more row fee, unexpected. You say, you can't even predict them. Where would you be a come home? Where you be a film? How different would this one be?
But I know, you're saying, but you say, any family, and then you say, yeah, teaching for court, nothing at a bone car, and not a court to do a match. And you see, as an you call the extra mile, say, they didn't know to see her board the roof. You call the car, neighbor, we are none also. Fetching, and you never but either way, it seems what they say. Now, you may be a wood. Say a man and nothing seeing. Wait
dear, I have a very good initiative, but how sustainable is this one? Bad day now, you say way, and yet that could be a nay, a quote, I giddy kama, a man for us, I say comply, definitely, being so comply. But how sustainable, Anna way be?
That's something I can say, you may do a better. Na we say officers the true ministers now how you hold that. With regards to sustainability, officers are all around. I should be, and I said they are more much like I said. If they are a good person, we are the amount of session. Now into that possibly about unexpected action and answer VDP is better. Not as I was running it is a woman talent the day here, the catcher. It is so if you woman now for you office and over. So they you share in the court. So sanitary inspection and sanitary at the coffee room will be the society. You know, peculiar to the community. And I say, you could offering a tax force at the back. It has the end to another chance to you don't move to another area. If you require men on to say, the you know, say also element.
Okay, Murphy or there's someone at poster say Bruno so or calling for the help of tax force. Yes, sir. All right. And the way no said all can a jumedia or that, but now drew baby one who kakada mushimukina. Say with greater Kumasi in the next years, Nana, in the next months, you know, Mobiti may extend the Mukakra, and as for now, no, the focus will still be at greater Kumasi.
It's a little bit of a small principle, Papa, so sensory. But someone also the second direction and checking him at it. If you are within hearing, you are yet to do submetry. You are back to my submetry. You are in sharing submetry. And I will inspiration. If you are consequences and after submetry to charity, as one I engage in assembly,
yeah, I think exactly what I wanted to know because they say, share movement now, message maintain it in a move free that Mibusa say, Abia, say ye bedroom baby no, ye bet chemu, set tax force no, ye the crack count. If you can find it difficult to hear you, Sankabe said Timubiuma. Okay. All right. I don't pay my Yanasi Bibre. Henrietta, Mamma Fria Conedu, and a Kasama for the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, KME. Anopay Samine Jumano said the Citiano, and I would say, Yadino, AD home and community. Now, Osha said your one zone, the Umbani zona forms and rat dicham so, and the next season, Umbequa, another places, any catchment area here under the metropolitan, that is where they are doing. But what they say, other people will emulate. You remember other, assembly then so emulate because say came from Kwanya na ejejai emiamia ni bia. One of the things are the ben say in so na na cheche fa ba bia ho. Enti say I'm just imagining say Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly ye baby umbe be di cham say be quadra so ye be you see. So there are areas that's not within KME. But almost share boundaries. And they have say abua kwa kra. That fe omo nya bibia de so ne forgotten ma. Obeti an say yes KME zone as soon as adena saba. So a very important sector I don't know. Kebenya nationalistic approach bia. Say ya meboa efiada enemy da obampanyi de so say at least region maako son de sa regions the yam fancy na ye clean up exercise region maako son ana de yam fancy na efiada enemy da obia gwadwuma ye nyina ye te ho agum so ka region nko ahode a nso 2 days. But I also ask myself, OTA Parker, Public Account Committee. Now, say assemblies, take it tensa. One of the areas, Sika Ekohopa, air sanitation. So, the OTA Public Account Committee, now, MMDCs, and MCs, and DCs, and mayors, and bar. Baby, you take his capa and say, or a local government idea the buyer say. I think first Saturday of every month, right? I stand to be corrected. But once in every Saturday. Yeah, first Saturday of every month. Idea and say every assembly be a cleaner. And a whole huge amount of money in FAO. So, say ye way na still. These 7 regions are yakan wasem and far. I think we should revise our news. We should change our plan and strategy. Because say you cannot continue to do the same thing and expect a different answer or solution. Ejinei Public Account Committee baby and for divertisika echo MMDCs no municipal and metropolitan assemblies no municipal district metropolitan assemblies. Omdisika konina people are hiding. That is how I see it. And here me observation. A man for hiding behind a sanitation I see you know for every first Saturday of the month. It your to prayer, your to you can say asemura, you the beings koi, you ma fire for a craft tofu a gum some best spray gutters in him, ye way, and all this is not yielding results. Then I think the local ministry, no, local government ministry, no, also more revise your monos. Because what they are doing is not yielding any fruitful results. But cash is being blown. But we are not getting any results. It is so to talk a Caribbean expose. And so to talk a Caribbean expose. We have to. And we have people doing the cleaning every time. We have people doing it. You come together, the military, the fire service, the ambulance, the above first Saturday be up, assembly hour, ya cambo, na afe, ya clean you. Ye ne so ni sha sia. Adientia, e ma yes adien, na adien ne twa butu. Ne so na sa emini. And son of man penina saba pese. Yam fan na fuam yenu toward ye na yazanye clean. What? That something is not clicking. Something is wrong. But baby names are ultimacia. Bibi nken siani. Something is not working, something is not clicking. Because how? Like how? How? How can you do all this, spend this amount of money, make one assembly ba ku diema pack for the buy? The amount of money over there for. Then, in short, one of the place pa a yiri pie ho. And so assembly na blue cash in every. So truly and really, no kwasem ne ade a wose ye ne se awose ye science cause nyoma mfa credit e ba kope nyoma emfa. And if this is the better than the approach we want to take nyoma go si bebia nyoma go si bebia because we keep doing the same thing and emfa into your planners and all these stakeholders. I think say there should be a broader picture. Either the local government ministry and now say government are buying as a president from the office of the president. Why be that? When we are into a turmoil and then we are struggling with our finances and the economy, the macros and the micros are not working now. Your fresh stakeholders, your fresh one on him day, yeah, quatanasi. I think that seriousness, no, also had to be attaching this sanitation issue. They invited all the stakeholders, all the CSOs. There should be a roundtable discussion. Now, you for your dream, getting into a consensus. You better solve this canker because to me it's of a national security threat to us. Sanitation. You have to call in the Navy. I've never been by omode boat to nisi so video be na cover you nyame nkwa omuna mosa ami no mu seven ko for nyame nkwa kom grade omu ko kwati odi abo e ka so ba na mu modi jo media go nyame nkwa grade omu ko edua ba ko free se light post e die po ana bu ye hwe boat yi se die sitie na ade yi ba na ene ekofu kiri erade ji odi yi bi Omukran kadia yo. So we have to do something about a lasting solution. Makacho say any news say and so better continuously. Now the gutters are being full and so no overflow call baby any news. Makacho say even in well-developed countries, see by the idea and so no that volume no. The difference in you. Difference in the volume of a so nearby is not the same. And that is my worry. That is my worry. And the second flash I said with someone every Saturday of the month, you clean up service, exercise. I feel President said 2 days abeto. I will not spend the money. Oh, I bring in solution. Emu be out the corporate budget in area. Emu be a correct expenditure. The area correct expenditure. Yenya and so correct. It was an assembly be who you do. People will cash out. When they get to that level, now some people are happy because we are going to cash out. And the local government minister, Ahmed Ibrahim, Mama when you call, because you are here. As a COVID-19, a month for Abronia home in Coco Kruma. And we don't want that to happen. Now say what to say. Yes, having Gary Sikano, about yet be could rock COVID-19. What? Ministry of Finance Neka. Ejigana dear, hey, this is someone see. We want to use every opportunity to suffocate the nation, to just sack the nation. This opportunity be ama already. Now man for who ever bronya warren koko. And these are things I was saying my agreeing basso. It is good we are fighting for the right thing to be done, but we cannot do it under the expense of the taxpayer without getting any results. Because here you may yeah, here 2 days week. And that is very important for all of us. One of the things are, Attorney General, I filed the court. Sir, hey, can Attorney General, I can't brofo power, the tribunal. Hey, that's the I say, you don't go the tribunal, wait to say brofo power, when they're not winning for Mamma. And all these things you are calling, say, ever back. And this morning we'll be looking into it. But my make actually say RSYD Novigi Studios. I don't pay and I make for the amount. Say I don't pay so we movie we film. Ucha Bibina Ekoya. I don't pay a RSYD Novigi Studios na make for the amount. What to hold your day. A studio, a state of the art facility. And your man added that so. This say your creative directors, so how my creative directors see almost so bombarding pa. So the whole story in the crowd know how to handle it. About creative directors no better system. About crowd story na Benny team so how to put it on paper. Abaya some oba your creative directors are on better system. Abana kama. So who try skit, who try a year movie, who try musical video, and now oh yeah streaming, online streaming. Oh yeah, podcast. Ninja na help assistant out from moi. Ghana for name you know but your malama be as first go Kroko Street. For 057 471 5778. 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822. 030 397 4822. Yes, let's create something extraordinary together. Arape Roman father ne drono. Roman father ne drono. Father Martin said about Mr. Kofa by Roman father ne drono. Come on, Tinko drugstore pharmacy shop a dear yebo wali at the same dra every basin that free time I buy that's Jinan and also a Roman father ne drono. I didn't hear. If he say pressure also diabetes also a dray airbow. Say Yadia Kwan Krobina tia toswa a dray airbow Emma Wato. Na Shannon so bu old man when I'm yanimre. obu on so ade honam tutu no honam mre onko na honam tutu onko ni mienu nyina ye boa ma ekọ ama ho ato stroke ana achew wabu aguo obi benya wa na efi yade bubu tu ho de yade pa mesra no pa bubu bi nam ne so ho na ho ye tititi enya wa adwen se ya nanse anase bibi da bi hweye namnes ehu pa signal wa cho say yare kese bi na machiriba enti bubu Roman father na drug me drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop obenya bi ato 0552668517 0552668517 and 0247919122 0247919122 a Roman father na no Anopai season a draw so onim de obeye de na abeye de obeye ne se anopai eye fuo ana ye do na efuo no ebia wo de vegetables na wo do entos enyadoa moko jene ene de keka ho vegetables ana wudua onya fertilizer paying OCP fertilizer MPK 15 anopai eboa wo ana se onya 10 ni nyina ye adwuma baako ebro emu cereals any vegetables fertilizer onya ye OCP fertilizer 15 afio mo dua legumes ni so ya sheda aye fo sonko amamo mo de mo yusu 15 ni bi ana 10 no but mo be yusu TSP OCP TSP na abenya bi ato ewa agrochemical shop bia bia ye ton fertilizer bia a hoye papa bia wo de busa ye be mo bia to 0555 90 9437 0555 5 near me answer 0355 90 9437 and 0355 90 9433 na anopay also koju OCP fertilizer tago ba Mr. anopay yenyina ye mbubobi tago no ye sheda ye for specific reason the entire ye tago di ni ye tago ni se bema uni atinka oba uni atinka bronika se low libido oni libido no wo form low libido watinka wo form starter emada pushi hey yade o mesel onya tago he ba Mr. Ako hospital yes infections na adokro onya tago he ba Mr. Bema tiemie ede man kikensi ani amount mi nkosi ani we impotence ana say erectile misfunction ye impotent dia ye erectile misfunction kofo be read radiographic amount eti bomodin oto wo ye dey anope bomodin na onsoso kope otago herbal Mr. enen capsules na anope onso ebobo 0243 228 296 of a Claremont Kajan say, whatever we face you. 21st clinic, I don't pay 21st clinic, and I make come for the amount. 21st clinic, clinica, you didn't free to take a fully fledged clinic. Yadibia, na anopay sebia what is sciatica the entire friend sciatica expert ni ye ne tena ase ne koye nhwemu ane so okay nerves bi wo otu ase osisi achi wa abepem onantini na obi wa se etwe no ewo no epia no enomeno elogo no emane ntimi nante emane ho feel fine ane yade be ni ane ye nhwehwemu ye de call your research center oni ehwehwemu ani o say no the sciatica nerves ni yesa na nwoma koka nwoma na synchronize a obenya yade friend sciatica ani de ba ye na ani be bia be fa bi ani sciatica so bia nso so ye sciatica expert na nka say 21st clinic na anopaya na efe obu a wotemi nka na oba clinic no obo so obi so hu Nkwantabisa mekwa akohweda ise nipa no tobi oba no aye mre pa kakra fei that was so free chi enim no isu edua no de dua kakra na fisiofo hwe no ne e mani nuro ne e ne lab ne e scan no fei wo ho abun se obeba no ahwehwu na fei one na won sciatica ne de 21st phone size yade bia omohwe yade bia omohwe na sciatica ne de go baby out zika atwene bra na yen hwe oba no nyese oba ya obeka wasemane amu aduro ye se o se ma akola lab doctor becture lab wo he ya ne ahwe sa enso so na massage ye wo afidie de ana office you a ono ye professional de ne nsa twetwe ho ama untini no asisi yedin aye kama ebetima ba so nantini ho no osisi achi ko kan to no nanso so ne atresi bibi tina o se ye full massage ye fidie ni twetwe na twetwe na afi otim se me ho atome 21st clinic ye over 15 branches otakra de otakwa ye Kumasi Sompa FM no wosro anom wo fom ye wo ehwa overseas adabraka ya ye ne Alpha Radio ne ben ho ho anope otu ho ye de oboase o cancel quarters called junction Accra ye wo Tantra Hill Sunyani Teaching Hospital ye ne first gate ni de anim hwemados abrosen saa so na nkransa be hu yen nkransa ye ne children's park no ana eben so saa so da techimai GN Bank 9 dadanim 0249 311 0249 311 afi 0540 211311 21st clinic sciatica expert anopai break na yenhwew na oho ento so wanto yade ase a onya anu aduru wanto yade ase a onya aduru a ode beka no 21st clinic yabema wate yade na ase ni a kire okwan a ode fa so a onso oho ebeto anopai abedwafo atena se na comrade na nsemi hu ache Umar Harris anopai ejinamu edi ama the National Democratic Congress NDC or youth activists so ana Duve Abraham Kletos also a youth activist or a communication team member ma a MPP in the Central Region so then ya me adomwa oko ofori krom ehona of a clear echo na oko said they as youth organizer of a clan of a match.
Nkwantabisa mejo so.
Now come to say.
Na me go switch that.
What idea come?
Nkwantabisa say the elephant is a winning symbol. Na ohenia yenu anamu asati a 24-hour economy omo share mabuni omantima nisu ya. Na say ye boaboa ye ho say nyame ya adoma ye se babeja abamia 2028. Na as part of your party reorganization and Nkwantabisa ya police station ya electoral area ya core constituency level na enumu ana Nkwantabisa oni ya ofakle mesemetina se say e dey mesemetima ya dey aboa party no ti mesemetum ho asi wo say eba emabunu ano boaboafo na constituency youth organizer now me carry me ho hwe I have the experience I tick all the boxes it me yes miss step up na miss me de me ho aba say yentu me so aba and Nkwantabisa me started this journey for you come constituency the kind of reception any odo party ma adana didi a kire me no mani asododo na Nkwantabisa me call party ma honomo a me nsama me de kone ya miensa pe me ma party man ehunu na me biwa me kai wo mu jumadia of acclaim didia ma oforikom MPP for the past 9 years na ma sound so akania me gusu a meye na me de mani so ade hunu ato wo manim na masre wo mo se omo hwe jumadia of acclaim didia ma party me mfie bebre yi mu ene ne me gusu a medie na masre wo mo se emeri du honuma na emere no aye kan aye me de di anim ye Oforikom police station ho na ye to Oforikom constituency elections no na ye to I must start no pa 8 pepe na ya starting the best say of akle mabamo na so electoral area hodo nyina makoho nyina na menya me ye youth organizer na so na Nkwantabisa mani so ade huru pa ne se na boaboa mabuna no constituency ni mu enti ma start jumadi a Bible say yen so kanea emfa nhye kodo ase edi si kanea bia so mane hyem obi ade ehunu and intimate youth wing number better no. Our 31 communities in the constituency no. My young banners. Youth wing banners ya electoral area bi amako bia no ebimunya 2 ebimunya 3 amede ema omo so far 31 banners no na Nkwantabisa every Friday no na ya chenyi na ama all the electoral areas ya we ni etwagu ya we Anloga East we ya Prade electoral area Prade omunya amiensa Prade mesoamu Aprade nyabi mesomu nyabi na New Amsterdam so nyabi anyi na ye under Aprade electoral area ya the best sign vantage points ama obi twamo obebusa se ehemfa na ye MPP youth meeting no we so yesu search de Anloga East de na electoral area miensa na Nkwantabisa minya enkoya so far all the 50 electoral area makokoye me campaign ho no ma reception is massive. Now, by being a semi young coy, I'm going to go west, Ofoyu Chrome West, and Nkwantabisa categories my cohonomo. Now, Master almost said, me ba monaso, na me yard much na Master almost said, me ba, send your reception, na all the electoral amakono.
Oh, what print your crowd?
Yeah, my president, where canting chrono at the Kantin kono de na daso yi obehu sense ye de so toatoa so enti so far yeah enti we so eye odumfo de we Ofoyu Chrome Palace for so de we sene yeah enti ba bia no time wa omo a be hyeche enti na ho de ye ja honom no enti we eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia Abaya President 2028 and the current member of parliament Honorable Michael Kwesiedua na me ya adoma 2020 besa koso asa ye MPBO ono so na me do matos kama and inti na Nkwantabisa ni amesre Ofoyu Chrome constituency party manyina ne se mabawo mo na so free electoral area kote ami free. The support is massive. The Biakufo support is massive. Oko Abek electoral area, the reception is massive. Oko Angomaso electoral area, reception is massive. Apra the force of Akleya Twama boom. Kantin Kono force of Akleya Twama boom. Odun force of Akleya Twama boom. Ahimbonu force of Akleya Twama boom. Ahidazongo force of Akleya Uduma Penti Twama boom. Akatago force of Akleya Hampo die. Yadina man Ofoyu Chrome East force of Akleya anyone that ha what of fun miensa ababoyen world meeting grounds their maye and with their twaba ma boom and Oga force of Akleya we am wani die a house so die Chrome nie and Oga East and Oga West almost here to the boom and their mam Ofoyu Chrome West horrible die electoral coordinator or class so die was akwa say FIFA referee yeah the fan Kwame Ansa Sakola man also fakle we do my power yenti ya to am obum na we na obedu bom so dia bom so for fakle bom so dia ne wa na atena hadi dwumadia enenti uni ma penti bom so for se ya to am obum na me wi na matesi KNUST uni say university kesi ya wo constituency mu university kesi ya wo Ghana nyina e wo Ofoyu Chrome constituency KNUST for self acclaim Ujumadia wadi ama Tescon KNUST for the past 5 years while electoral commission ama Tescon KNUST to the extent say Ujumadia nti Tescon KNUST from Mount citation na de bia wudi juma wa hase nti KNUST for self acclaim to ma boom na constituency na the kind of reception amadia mame no na Nkwantabisa mani so and internal permit na for the case so na ma da party ma wo constituency ni na ase se of acclaim ma me kwan na emfie enkron ni me ne masomo na me ye nipa na Nkwantabisa anya hwe krampo ebia na matia obi na so wo kwan bi so a minimo de minimo me ye nipa de emfie enkron no be de me kasa bi betia obi matade bi kwapa mehye manamontu obi ebi mpu a ni ye bi a meye bia na ma dwempu ni so no mesre se omode ebeche ofakle na mahwe adwuma ma ye dia ma party for the past 9 years osompa masom na mahwe osompa migusu a mesomo na mahwe manisu ade humu a edisi manisu a macheche modi a kire mo kwa mefa so meboaboa babua no na mahwe so na nyame ya adomu a ye koya ballot me da number 2 eye you forget me da number 2 eye too sure mesem say edu ono ma na Nkwantabisa mato aba na ama me boom na ye de nkurumdie aba na be boa constituency no na aboa ye member of parliament na ne djumba dia odi na tima koso we say ye member of parliament oko parliament ya Honorable Michael Akwasi Edu on the ranking member on Youth and Sports Committee in Parliament. And in Nkwantabisa, so me MP a ranking member of Youth and Sports Committee of Parliament. Now so when you of a clear vociferous, hard-working, vocal youth organizer. Now also born a chidomwa. You can imagine how our constituency be me akwanimu. And to me that's it. Na mado for constituency masse na masre omo se djumadie no nyame ya adema ye climax no Saturday e be so omo se omo nto no boom and from of akle ye mra ye ma som constituency no na ye mwa na ye mwa bo mabunu ano o constituency no ye fa kokoji to me 2028.
That is the incontrovertible, indefatigable of akle, the vociferous man. Uma Kratiase, correct, Bache.
Nana Nkwantabisa, Mejoso.
Man, I know what say.
Alhamdulillah, Allah da romanti away. Na yeti of a class kama no my effect. And I agree. So mefasa kunyawi so na ma appeal to the grassroots of the MPP, especially more for recruitment of a clear. He is one of the gentle guys on my politics amanyo semne eya kono so we study the way I was a kasa ahobrasiem the kasa we kuka ni didi atem ni eni nso ade say dia wo mu bi no ye no of Akle is different, and that is how they can build a very good political party for future. But then baby as I say yedru no, they need the likes of Akle in position. But the problem is, are the party ready to allow intelligent and humble young men like this to lead? That is one question. And on some of Akle kaino say propaganda bi wo ma eno me yes in chen na ma bom to kro. But so far near ma o kan ni nyina no e idea of Akle because he represents the party very, very well. Very well. Say me say oka say yenhwe omu communicators ne emfansu so omu mpenimfo bi omu so a of Akle, he is typical of MPB to say Ura Patrick Boama. He's very gentle in his dealing. But my problem is of Akle party baby I did day. Enya de ebeye enti ya no aka akire o mo se wo na wo ba se de ebeye wo betimi ahihye party no enti be 40-46 no na my day ma be win power o ka so say elephant is a winning symbol for the way elephant now a winning symbol no elephant ni mum da form e won nine wo so say a winning symbol enti no ma me wish you of Akle, and we shall do the little we can do in our capacity to support. And again we say election so especially MPP delegate election of Akle bitimi a fantastic material obi betimi take kusua any snap apodua say of Akle ne fata by sikasem simwa they will leave the good material and go and bring sankwas and they will continue destroying the party. And for once election ombekoi me were areas be candidates be in the MPP say omutimi emerge victorious. I mean say yes, the party is serious for good rebuilding because they are materials. NDC MPP yenyan atamfo ye namfo but just that your ideals and your principles and a vary. Intino me share of Akle, he is my interest in that constituency. Oba aswanso constituency your Alhaji Haruna Dudona friend Odenke omo power under 8 years na ye moto yi a ye twitwe bi wa na police for yi so onim the way almost here Odenke enhu ne se me ye NDC ni a me ne ye din a me boni party echi e bo Akufo Addo echi e bo ba omi echi ohun ne se me ye nunu we live in the same constituency me nunu se police for ya so me mu say na me fe Odenke ti me ye enti wono na be ma me like freedom to even have to go about my movement easily to go and communicate for my political party. He was very helpful. And he say, no, me assure say time na all this he was expecting absolutely nothing in return. Little did he know say a day like this will come and me as an NDC will come all out. I'm telling you, Odenke oyenipa bi abetimi save me 2 months salary. na media supporting the campaign because the wire mama no many aso enti me gina sa Sompa video so say MPP for e be say o mu win election we are
ontimi nwane asem na me congrats
oh there and so there mini comment there only say there side enti me nua Odenke Haruna aso asefo omomom there ono so all contested as second vice chairman.
Oh okay.
And I will command the youth.
Oh fine.
Or command the youth a lot into omunya na dom na Odenke Alhaji Haruna Ibrahim wono there as wasi baby and omo youth organizer Ibrahim Anyas do na friend Jega ono so they be na ye election na electoral commission aba as wasi hotspot but what is say ya to abama as wasi yakontoko hoda one of the fantastic guys ono so ACK re-election. They should promote such guys so that at least we can have sanity in our politics.
O kan in a drew there so at the end aba beka save will be about Odenke ne what's the other guy name
Jega Ibrahim Anyas.
Okay, that's fine. We wish them the very best, but would offer clear I can also save my salary and media buano campaign.
Oh, any the many of a clientem the edenya me so me the me support be no me nkan wo ha yes I be go kwasa and of a clear akoje finance NDC o meka
I don't want why are papa so do
me why Ibrahim Mahama na no concession ya de man ya o be kan ho asem wo ba abonti be da Akufuado afedo no mo nyina o mani ewu o yes na politics ana.
You guys, yes, Santa, yeah, now, nim politics, behave that way. But well, it's all good. Yeah, more than one free fee, said them paying for can. Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, every introducing some na enra mukwa rounds matisse nipa bear 12 the Omar arrest you related to a unsanitary behavior and attitude. Mame Mao. Because a party mona maban was on some of these things, you know, or that I must say shemukina say ebe. But is that a way forward for us?
Many amida say na mame fa kwenya we na mentia me MP Interior Minister Honorable Muntaka Mubarak ene edwumaso a wo di edeboa Ghana na mentia Alhaji Mustafa Ayaraga ono na nyankopon ya adoma yeso your constituency election ye ba be ko ye de ne ba as chairman because currently he's the vice chairman of the constituency, double up as the protocol officer for the member of parliament. Now, party ba power, what say your bema, and Mebuno no de Obi answer becan wonona, and nam no swa, Obi a candian and Sabeka, intino, you tinning in our bodom say, drew her, one number presenting, because wherever Shaman Crano, Nijuma would dinning in Arches or ye the chairman of Sumna, obey Jumana Bros, Alhaji Mustafa Yarga, ye pushing. And I mean, Chia, Mwabija MC, honorable wisdom or Sebo, kum com, Ninijuma Woody. Now, communicators, NDC Ashanti region there, Yadana Sepa, because fuel air connier by Ukum com, or supportia pa, or supportia. Enti I say baby I say ye kasa ye shira ukunkom ye fuel die eba na ye dana se na menchia menua ostrich so ono so communicators so emu because ye kwa ye be e dem mitimi ko radio station TV station be 3 ye sika o kwa ye dia so link tinkiti bi motivation ubetua ostrich afato no so say ye communicators bi o wa adopt ye ne ma o support ye na oba regional organizer no menya no na me nko support wan. Look at the support or look at the results he's placing at our disposal. And you know, Ostrich, a regional organizer, and so yeah, tiny cheap because will be there. Yeah, for party resources and man mounty aso on one BBD into one crab it made the resources and abwa. I'm a party na condo into an appointment chairman. I mean, regional chairman, and Akusi made the DBA Mecadian Muya and Tineno. Wa bone juma wa chere no competence far beyond reasonable doubt and as I say benchmark I setting say it me actually be 45% and 50% in Ashanti region and then chairman na ko sinedi so ade ho na city no so yet me deliver at least ye go kura 15 and 10 there sabeka intina na ko si and power me chia no na me nkom nsem no so em say we a step in the right direction e bibia e wo ho from since time immemorial and I say ya jama ade na kofom na satam na town council for and sama for na satam no so ohwa there was sanity especially when it comes to issues on sanitation in various community. I can tell you me free Zongo and I know what goes on in the Zongo community. people naturally don't like obeying laws.
Yeah.
And I say, Osha, even as Muslims, Omoka Bibi say, I mean, cleanliness is next to godliness, just as it is written in the Bible. Yeah. So, we do, you know, some. So, oh, our environment, I may be that's a deal, say, Dano, and I'm some. But you told the Bianipa be in Tiasia. And when I near yes, Samano. Obia one person obedi no huni no crowd. So on ye because of one kasa ne health. Say ebe bo no kasa wo ye because of say osuru aban. Enti na ama na nyoma mu eda ho clean. Ube coffee, ube ko mo gates ko ase ye nyusu because they are particular obia suru say sama eba me kai satam ne yesusa. So munya ti say sama eba. See the amount for the be wafie. Ube wana fie na ti say cruise within 30 minutes. Ebi owa omoye proactive dia omo say bia ene ana ochina sama for beba enti mombra ne nyina ye mbodom na enye general clinic say dia bia because omo sama ye levy ana fine no ye ya na ye betua enti to prevent that no ye dey ye important enti na boa I don't know then about here what happened ene sama na ye den e call from na no na me wakra o ka so hu me ache na me go sha akra flood here e koso nyina na was na akra. Like we call allergy ko hu niam wo me so insuo ni ba insuo no hu insuo no wo fam e na bola ni so asade ya suma submarine every yuga hey serious me say insuo na mfa wa nkokra na se bola na e ba no e ball crowd be serious and I miss that I hear TV so no na okobra na itimi the wheelbarrow esa sabola no me say during that time no omo amukuta abobo ya ede fufa bola ni nyina no no omo abobo ya no aye empty omo nyina ko dispose egu nsuo ni mu obi owa ahomache na okoto ni bola egu this attitude where we taking it enti Ghana for end na see and reflect say adenti na say yarwa bebre abedokure asoman. Said ya na ebi moka say some of the diseases are lab made. Anything na lab made o. Most of the diseases are affecting and has got to do with sanitation. Yeah. Malaria so called Ghana Health Service. Now ko show mu data the rate at which malaria is killing Ghanaians. And you know I was some mama I'm very happy say the mayor Atekisa taxway. And me ensi wa se enra no fine na omoje no na ebia enya fine bia omuntum omumma the punishment for he who breached that law no enya severe say there be ya so omunya no for nation building or out of law should open until the hours is over and na me the sada na me normally on set not tete obi beto ade na ohwe na obi o se brabra na wato ama no but ejuma na wo say ye they are waiting for the assembly no omododo yesen assembly ban and the population e be 1,000 workers na 1,000
assembly never
to get my point and you know we should understand say adia e wo say ye no enye say aban ne pese o ye bibi say na ebo aban no because most of them confirm more about them so more than ankasa sanitation issue we ankanyo because baby a motete no enye sa na neoma okọ ajenga no okọ areas bia rubber kra unya mama fa za konya we na membo do ma afọ memo o ma baso the first time I called do ma hinkro I was like wow there is leadership in this area me say do ma got and show them onante be 30 meters 20 meters obo say none does mean it's your until you have no justification so benum pure water now they are to form because when you hear does mean it's your enti do ma for me bo ma baso na yeso you replicate ade we my money ye nya ni say bia one day show 2 day show yeah intensify it should become accustomed with the culture of the people say there be ya its sustainability will be rest assured because you can say ye na ochina na amanfo ye na omu say there tax sanitation officers in Babioma, yes, I be see the demo. Enti na me propose say sanction be a de be ma omo violate law. Enye severe say fine na emunya do say they be you me recruiting more field officers for them to do the monitoring so that at least we can get this the help say ensaka no ensaka. So I think it's spot on.
Me that say over clear. So that is that came before decision.
Yeah, me that na ma come constitution na me nchia kese akoma a member of parliament honorable Michael Akwesi Edu na machia party mpanyifo nyina no kwasem ne say sanitation issue ne sama came before Sadia Bano. It's a very good idea. Now, the problem kakra wa ho I think my futu ametu say they should put a system in place that ye betimi sustain this momentum, because if you know ye de biada until the Debbie Banabaye and Trekesi be now we now say chromotin now sa within a week and we are beside the Abba back to the system. But madam, started from the people. Sans Ngurano said ye nipaya na ye Ngurano, ye fino. The decline, let us educate ourselves. Na yen tears say, at a while who do baby bar, ye co hospital ko to Yahoka, ye co pharmacy koto hunjuno. As a result, most of them ye young Sansaya Huni dear ye and a cofasa yarene bano. So Otia say was our quan so I mount to an amobia. You ube who said, Mamma find a huni and card ye be a mayor. The atos be on swear, met two a month for no for say, and ne ye see a renewable way of living. So obi kodwemu ya maame mo ne ye sister mo ko edwemu ko to ne mai. The best stress polythene bags ahodo a kodwemu oto tomatoes ni ama poly bag, oto jene ni ama poly bag. Eye nwura na wo sesa ade abafie no. Enimti ene renewable way of living ni bebre aba ama yetimi de basket here ene nyama e wo fie yetimi ya de kodwem e kodi dwaba the same basket na the same ayina no na ya sa ohro na the same baby nti bia wo kokoto de wodwemu a won nye de won ji sa polythene bebre ni fa ba ye nwura de e woni fie de ka ho bi so ene se e best o manfo no se e bia na aban entimi provide waste bins ensisi mantamu bia e bia wudu hona se okitangura bia betim dia atum ye nyanyu sam pempenso no nanso so wan kasangata wan fa wa pomudi ansha wonsa na kwaso wo twan aban se me manum nso awie se waste bin ensi wontimi de mada to ba bia e kokokoko wa won e beside dey asa aba na ya sanso asre the legal part of this whole exercise. Meaning, assembly mu bylaws muno. There are sanitation bylaws Now, what does the sanitation bylaws say? Now, also implement na sa emrana bylaws na assemblies na share about sanitation. Who will ensure say those laws are being implemented? And not say Ade back because she says emrano to ho na say ye nya omo be make sure say emrano ye adwuma say be say emrano ye mrehunu. And inti the legal aspect of it no so ye Ade a mehwe na matu for say if KMA ombetimi set up probably a special court be a better sanitation court we are here to where it's a dedicated court for sanitation related issues I think Sanusibet so that court no say some for each na say when you the Okobia na the Okoya no papa fine bia what we are into no that court will be dedicated to sanitation issues. I idea back when Smith master say if came for betimi ahwe sa akwan so a na ama the legal regime so tima robust tinipa ko hu say wontimi nyefi enko scot free e ba sa be manipa ko no wada no ho so no tutu na mo a e be fa so be boa na masanso asere so say assembly for na so works and housing department for no so ye be sere o mo say abind the contract emma contractor no mo ye kwan a ade ba ko na Nkwantabisa me hu ana me ro akopa ye se omo ye asphalt wi na ai chippens no ne ai no mo digu so se aba gata na no ba jane sa e bi kwa putimi tigumu ai kota no mo digu ni timi etigu gata ni mu na contractor na ja ho na be ko na awo na see the flow of water no our gutters ne dey emu na contractor no ja hoko ya kwan no anwea na odi ya fe ni bi akoko gugota ni mu ama achoku drain no na contractor ni wi a waja ho okọ osime de ba ye kwan no aye ne kwan wi no okọ ekwan a wo ye no nso drains ni gutters na wo de ekwan no eto ho no wo chippings ni bi anasa wo quota ni bi anasa anwea na odi ya fe ni bi akoko loke ayi no ama insurance mi de inflow enti nsuru kota na enwan kokota ho no ma na no nso emaye issues sanitation issues nteno nso ya de ba ko masa so ahwe ni asanso asrese baby a ye waterways naturally o senke nso ntimi fa ho no mo nanka ye nya hoto no na oba na assembly for ya asa ma permit na omo asa grant amount for the permit to build in these areas and no say besro mo say omo ma adwen so ne de enko ho san say works and house and sanitation they are all related. I think say they ni ko ho so be san so de aboa na afenso me de twa to ya stress came for my ma adewe enye a 9-day wonder say already ye be ye from tricks bi ni settings bi san say abawe ni mo say settings de omo ya ade na omo sustain na ebia monthly bia ko no maye na atimi aboa de twa to kran so say I think say omode entertainment part bi bamu ana say publicity bi omunya baka tinye wo advert bi a sama advert bi baka ya na ye no TV so I mean those adverts mono na it reminds us bi ntie na new actors ne upcoming ones on betima mama ye I mean skit be just some 2-3 minutes be a deputy because a maburu no a hopa na ye benya information dey free no more dey to social media so because obi kwampa one tempo say last weekend kwa because I dey e so ye kidnap exercise kase ne mom ye dey in social media way ne this artists mo ba mu bi na mo so e promote say esamansaman asa aba back I think say it also reach the young people na it's me aboa.
Still on sanitation because they say they are not having major issues. His Excellency the President, recent flood is young crime. Echo probo areas no, baby so niki kai nyome say or community support towards this by Garrett issues by. In fact, you can send ambassador. Now the latest one said President said on the 10th, which is Friday, and 11th. Ghana regions and so on affected there. Yemfanye clean up exercise. There have been a whole lot of school of thought on this 2 days. I
think with your company respectfully, I don't think this is a solution to the flooding issue. In fact, Omampenian kasatama issue ni see ya otna helicopter mu no nya area view obaye no we see from no onima okan no the major one okan engineering problem. And I think say, over the period now that has been the issue or the center of the problem. Say it's basically about engineering problem because Accra no Kwamentabisa a low-lying area. Majority I say geographically a low-lying area. It is so many free people no so a Burim mountains not for me na be day about in kind. And into no baby almost a low-lying area into no a more of engineering problem. Say you better na yatna siama works and housing department for special planning for na say for me na be tenase. No or finding an engineering solution to the problem. And I think it will come with a huge cost. It's that engineering problem. And now a Garrett day a buy because by that time no I'm going to be say what be gutters ni makesia sebi yanka so man for mum but o man no na so mu to gat in ru gutters mu krampo a and now say drains no flow into no the problem will not be as you no. And I think some man for not being called the engineering problem. Now, Garrett projects no. It was $350 million project. That was the cost then. And World Bank for a committee $200 million. Now that $200 million of more committee and release $127 million. And I'm going to be the Garrett project na yekan wasam no World Bank for Sika. They were part of the process from every point. And I'm going to be when say the award of the project no, the contractors need be even monitoring of the project ni supervision na World Bank for no omudi mu akotene omu so every state of the program ni biano omunim de eko who sikasemu bibiano not a single person will be and a World Bank for babeka say afa baby but project ni go so ayeko no na variation e dey bamu and the sikanso you release ni na fa mamo because of many the project na dey echi there are projects ni baby wo hono ma wo say aban etua compensation bi ansa na etina akokoye de sika na baba beye de wo se ye baby wo hono ma wo say aban eteki part bi na aban ye enema civil works bi awansa na project net ma de atoaso all these things no World Bank for say ya wo project execution no omonye now we have been told by government to say any World Bank for say the remainder of the commitment no edaso ye den e wo ho enti nia kan say aban be ye ni also ye na omulezi nia akano and the project no so government have come to tell us say the project ni 60% complete I know konkran the Garrett project eguso aye dey ekoso baby mi mamone adrenga no hono mone ayi odo revenues omo ye project ni eguso aye dey ekoso na sika no a World Bank for be release the akano omo ba be ka say these are 1 2 3 things I was say buy eye ni release the akano san say we know every step of the project into best stress say aban for na nye dey enko the 40% na akano ho sika no obi ani ye World Bank for say ni akano edaso e dey ewo ye ha ye be release here I say aban wa ye ABCD because ka contract no dey agreement no eho into best aban say ne from dey bi obaso wo ye also wo ye na 2025 aban enya almost be $3 million ni aka no da so dey ewo ho omonje na mo fa expand address no na entinye dey emwa na mom clean up exercise here ni 2 days there na Nkwantabisa I bet say betimi solve the problem of flooding in Accra.
Say enye necessarily say solve it but say the NCC and so clean it up. All right.
Now that one day the refuse any fear and greater Accra for Bayano. Nkwantabisa, so we 10th and 11th now. The next day
it should be a process.
The next day no the fourth besa abano. Until I think say the biggest problem is the engineering problem and I think the World Bank for say the money is there issue.
Omar
Nana Nkwantabisa,
the president initiative directives or Diaba.
I may say spot on. Very, very spot on. Because former President Nana Akufo-Addo during the flood, ECC on Krano, he passed the comment. And then the comment I'll pass here, now I know shit. Or it was public. Or can I say, Magana for inspector say, or the taxpayers' money or person or that project. Eddie Babi Shishim, not the answer at the program, no problem, no area, okay? He's not going to do that. He told us point blank. Former President Akufo-Addo say the flood situation in Accra is attitudinal and not merely engineering. And you know, say, Nipanans is our Musubanya or no Abana, the other committee. You had earned taxpayers' money into that. But then, Osha statement of President Akufo-Addo, the manner or carrying the tone one now no she but then so Osha asem no do asem no sukwa enokre sometimes they will say it's me then it me ha ni can okre fine the topographical nature of Greater Accra I mean, a form, and you know, yes, you would expect some. But Accra, say, the amount of millions of dollars are into drainage system. Now, say, by now, the drainage system in Accra should have improved. But why are we not seeing improvement? Because projects are in various areas in Accra. Abia was trying the best. But why is the problem still persistent? Yet we are not be the politics and Mahama Nkwadi or Babemua na insulto. Yeah. Utie Ghana met you information about the Mama. Say this is going to be the highest rainfall at Ghana recorded in 40 years. And in some measures are nanka yet the solving problem no over the years no. Say 1, 2, 3 and now the same measures yes all they became this system where any year so you need to double up. So it's high time government so ebe take a drastic measure ebe put the people to hold. Say the behavioral contribution of human to that problem no. You bet me see no enye sa you be kwa engineering ni na ewie na nipa ni suban sisa ya your site the ebetimu a the problem will not change. Yeah. And there's a call WAEC. Asa okwa ngunaga okọ WAEC office wa sa drainage a ball ana eya egu ono masa okọ ha obeka se eye bebi a mo dump refuse obeka se refuse dump ankasa time na no yibi asante ne e ba be ye program bi na omukọ na omukọ siesie omusiesie o amefa o me se na di we sa na ebetumi ayi ama na ye ya bala o ye nia adi we sa na ebetumi ayi ama na ye serious it is serious. On top of that, barricade no say they are use road no will not even see what is happening there and then back to default settings. It will drainage man a bit my situation no because nipa na ye na agents or honey there or honey a baller we hear the den the because go opa ko bam na tire mu na ye gate for air condition boom on the baller because go. Yes, engineering is a problem, but the behavioral aspect of it, if we don't tackle it, no engineering can fix the problem. No engineering can fix the problem. And I almost say the technological advancement and the boy and then other school of thought so catcher say AI is making our brains weak. It's making our brains weak. We have refused to think. An application letter, application letter for job at Sompa. Now trauma no actually yours faithfully no assign on the bro. People are not thinking. That is it. And you know, yes, acknowledge president so can say engineering is a factor. Poor climate change is a factor. And now attitude is a factor. And so OSHA directive our president at the Bayer all is in line to tackle the human behavior aspect of it. And an issue regarding the engineering aspect of it and on a Garrett project in Ebem. So OSHA our president's approach to solving the problem has not been one method. He is using all the methods to be able to salvage the situation once and for all. So I think it's spot on. Okay. And amount for the directives nearby I can say 10th and 11th of July. That day I be set aside and say people are beginning to assume no, so not just say a holiday. No. Obianka said on the 10th of July no a holiday. Yes, Ramo. Obianya no hunti because the 11th is on Saturday, but the 10th is on Friday, and it's a working day. And I am they say, yasa directed the MMDC say, decentralized the idea. No government appointees of every agency should lead the charge. And also, Ebema enthusiasm abe jumano. You ever say Asukari Mapana so as a constituency. Never say the interior minister Honorable Muntaka say it is 10 July and 11 July into above from. Imagine the number of people who will come out to come and work. Imagine Edoji lawyer, Edoji Tamaklu, in his, any GMPC workers in Yasa or MABCC. So it is going to help us a lot. It is going to help us because a lot of people will patronize it. Now, Beko for Rukum, now for Clemo, Satam, now I youth organize a way. No, lead the charge or the memory in us or man politics in Kwandia or the more Babon. It means we can make a great impact. So I think it's a step in the right direction and we should encourage and then support it.
But about Maho, we're a quick one on it because it's now laid before Parliament. Say you reintroduce tribunals. If you quite remember, in olden days, for no resolution for issues, resolving issues and all that. Then it came to the tribunals, whereby specialities or special field like employment, immigration, your tribunals for it. I know it comes with a panel and sometimes legal professionals. These were more or less costly. It does not involve a lot of money going for a lawyer, doing this, pay everyday appearance and all that. Attorney General say, these tribunals, the nature of it, how we deal with specific offices, and specific issues, labor, people who are labor issues, you don't know how to even go about it. Yes, go to lawyer. Already, go fight and all that, immigration and all that. We should get that system back. And I remember I started from Ofakle during the first.
I think because all court now we are some courts now we say you better not some because cases in the door so even the time allotted to deal with cases no a problem now adjournment. Why? Because there's a lot of cases on the judges to handle. Who say near maybe your pressing cases are why I was saying me focus on me can ma pay your air then eba. But because of other cases so almost ya then ya book here or say ya can was them. Who say the most pressing cases now we are dealing with some of these very minimal cases are tribunals so bit me handle tribunal when you say it was a system that was running in this country. We had regional tribunals, district tribunals, and we even had I think circuit. They were all there. A decentralized some mini cases we say I mean fraud in this mental health issues so much me handle and yes Anna it gives leverage to the bigger court to be able to concentrate on more pressing national issues. Nebua and I think say this is going to help and then it's going to a free and accessible and very reliable system of judiciary because now court some of the cases refer to them say then they will refer to the upper court because they are not in charge of interpreting the law. Interpreting law there into assembly say banner is beyond their jurisdiction and they will just pass it on to the high court or the greater court to deal with. So I think it's important. It's going to help us.
Incoming youth.
I think I'm looking at it from the legal point of view. Say, a man for GD court system. I think my suggestion would be say. One, in Kenya dedicated court for special areas. And to say sanitation, issue about mining no so who they in court. Because the problem this tribunal is coming to solve is coming to ease the pressure in our courts. Yeah. That is basically the idea behind this tribunal. But not tribunal. Now the issue about tribunal and unity free have you resolved that? Because now need the parents national partiality the tribunal in part 5 in part 7. And now some year can no legal professionals in Tibia food be expert be or honomo. But no so man for by J your mom to move to the sense that people have confidence in the court. So much that or court to could differ from what and one sema court my could differ. That's a court tribunal, they could differ tribunal. And now so a man for no or who said they are not quote unquote legal luminaries in people have doubt in some you do a tribunal to make one super not had the court or not had the choke choke bill. Now my son was stressing now the former attorney general Mami Sufaya Kufu, not pencil. What she was very heavy on ADR to the extent say court na some ADR institutions be more and this setup we are in some near court no more to make us really contemporary case we are referred to ADR more kana say anya na masa de aba amen ADR na ba can part of our judicial system who are to the best of my knowledge it is being utilized and utilized very well. Because I've had some issues here. I mean, the ADR sector just some 2-3 weeks maybe. nanka in the regular court no nka adjournment sa na ka di be 5 years a day I think that the government should rather concentrate on the ADRs now ma me so for time or the buyer to the best of my knowledge no ababe the judicial system ababe easy the pressure the no but tribunal no there na Nkwantabisa misro san say issues are na ho a enu nti ama omanfo na yenya tribunal mugidie those times I do not think say it is solved. Those challenges will still be there. I am issue about people doubting the people who are sitting on the tribunal panel no san say emrade who say PM and I said judge need to any more wa course am to interpret here we do for crown power to one say but obia respectfully onye legal luminary no we do as not case what the bimu kra I say wa come and put into yem papa biasa and that's my
Kwame Nkwantabisa 0548931931 hello, good morning. Nimejuso down from to say Adumo I don't permit you. Welcome here, Joe.
I don't permit you. Yeah, you get your good bunch of move to my father. I'm telling you also. Yeah, tell me for the focus. No, let's try to see Kabumuka Probably the channel. And I thought to tell my cuckoo. Or should I think Kabumuka Bama Pasaya Kono? The city bigger than to my Biachi Kama. Yeah, we are to my mother bosses here. Let me like a chat which is young. What was in the essay? You're teaching. We're teaching with the new Bia. I send you a call, the other I think the last one come out. The only man and we are going to work on the alpha beam. And ready to now Japan, Jania, Toledo, no. There's a go to the Baya. There is now. Now it was to be there. We basically come up on Mamaso.
Hello, good morning.
Morning,
yes, my boss.
Medwabe Kimo Kwadaso. Chairman General de Noko Kwatira. Incoming man of Papa and the power and my 28 National Lawyer Tree and for you from can I say Richard Nyako on also part of first vice chairman. Over. And then maybe because I say Dika. Frankly speaking, offer Ghana for it seems you are not angry enough for. I said came a boss a catcher over there 7.5 billion. I repair just 13 street lights. Up to date when they say street lights na kwa nyajuma. Of a journalist, no more. We said the partner journalist with you, Kumu and the Kufado government. Now you collect journalists, the investment bonity, or you, Mr. President Anopa. Now, if you Anopa, attempt me to be 80 years old President Akufo-Addo. Mr. President, no. Attempt me to be the then President Akufo-Addo. Just because of a Niamabia no Susu and Koso. A year. And don't we compare the echo so you and the journalists are common not to offer a yao. Not hear me, boss, to look at just what they 7.5 billion. I call repair street like that and the Enyajuma. Of a Jumbusa. What are so trusted judges Okroma and NDC Mahama Mamui. And NDC, the NDC, as some cocoa to their judges say, or dip him and you, uncle often uncle D. It would the NDC Nico Kota judges who my boy some not trouble. Just an NDC for a Ghanaian setting will be and judges you have one court, one percent this year, and the judge be do what Mama was a seer. Then when we have found court, now you MPP, we are also 1 billion. So do you still trust the justice system in this country?
All right. We have no option but to trust them. They will do professional work always. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Yes, sir.
It's any good junior about you.
Junior near my Mintio.
May I say, Manso, I'm talking to the Concra, the chairman, a chairman of the maintain chairman. Or the number 2, a Jesse, a Jumapan to us, no. Anna, the organizer on so or a federal Tadoma, a Jumapan to us, so also the number 2. When we say, first vice chairman, Awoba, and so you are entry. Can you not lay PM or Mason Quanta? Also, the number 2, ono so no ekwa first vice chairman na mini ye change na and say asemi na minia a good judiciary no ekopa ne say ye wo Ghana ha say na judiciary ye to no sa and the chief justice with me vice president and the boom ekwa we cap wait ya and the chief justice with me pastor me as ye any entity for nante to say I say no mo na really entity government no and so can we can who say can neutral can be who say we men come will be nya so so be nya mo dide say over brano ama senator really and you say nka politics ba wo side now the who ni say you Mahama ama you say judiciary no keep just the do the high commissioner and also commander of judges no they say the yamana NDC no manam now we the tracker it is opinion sem that's a sem to kono e ho po e kakra you be say e na beko present influence influence ya tem no chi just say you amanfo a obeti asemetia nipa na de beko no ade nipa na o kan no
better say junior chief justice say only a enemy vice president arm of government no hello good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, my boss.
Oh, nice. Professor Arabi.
My
for secretary. You know, for Fatama Funchia, so such a benefit another. And the German man up with his statement team. Inshallah, and up with the baby, community. So I didn't present the council. I think I can no. What dear the present cano, and na yentie fancy adwini kana yemma ye hu yaka ye hu boom the way you talk about more ya so sia ntuna wo ye no nda on continue skani na e gana ska ama te kase wo ya be ya me to afua skano ye skano o man so about amanu ya dia wo support no kase wanya waban ti abana kase the presentation o pianti e dimo aka sasa say kasa for the say you ya insha Allah esa ci go mani mama o so go ba no man say insha Allah be
yi thank you very much menfa of regiment nyina nsi obabra emfensuo na quickly menya birthdays na sports for them betna say ember power any team them betna say menya birthdays in free hall MCR na emomo betna say so happy birthday to Prince T from Asori Penny in Richard in T. So today is your birthday, sir. We ask for God's mercies and favor. And I would day happy birthday. Or 3 pieces in so boja papa. Happy birthday, sir. A happy birthday to Mr. Dominic Ejari Bafo from Rhoda Jemfi. So, sir, Rhoda Jemfi so Osenya Minsha and in Mobro Huma. Now I would day Osenya me say. Wakuma so ade nyina ya papa nyina mbrem so happy birthday Mr. Dominic A. Bafo. Enjoy your day. A happy birthday to Evelyn Boache. We wish you a fantastic birthday from Estika Jr. Adakwa, her friends and all family members. They are saying happy birthday to Evelyn Boache. Enjoy this moment and know you are special. Happy birthday to Dachi Hima at Ultimate FM from DJ Kelly of Boss FM. So Dachi Hima, today is your birthday, beautiful one, a glorious birthday. I like the smile. Enjoy this amazing time, and may God always be with you. Tumfo nyankropon omani shirano and tonkoswa enguso. And I would say happy birthday to you. And DJ Kelly of Boss FM so ana ebepie fikesiema happy birthday Dachima. Happy birthday to Shadrach Kwame Akowa at Oshim MA Junior High School from your father Kwame Redu of Sompa TV Sompa FM. Hey Chama Redu bano. Oh and yenya ba Shadrach Kwame and a happy birthday from your aunties, your fathers and your uncles, and also TV, no some perfect ma. Yama wa fisha pamwa wodapa. E say nyame hia ne mo bro ne dom say enko so anya kase. Nyini na be penyin kese. Happy birthday, Shadrach. Daddy loves you. What? Aha. A very happy birthday to Abena Adepa of Akuma FM. Abena Adepa. This one say happy birthday to my lovely sweet sister Abena Adepa at Akuma FM. May God bless you so much, and I love you from Abake. So Abake of Sompa, and then to Abena Adepa of Akuma FM. Special one, beautiful soul. Happy birthday. You are looking so good and so beautiful. May this smile never fade. And happy birthday to a glorious one to Chief Officer Frank Addison of Sunyani Central Prisons. Chief, today is your birthday. Happy glorious birthday. May you step in another level of blessings. Happy birthday, Chief. Enjoy this beautiful and amazing time. And happy birthday to Dorothy, a student and midwife at Offenso Nursing College from Andrews, Osei. So today is your birthday, Dorothy. Dorothy, today is your birthday. Happy glorious birthday. Arabi Ubekan Dorothy. Happy birthday, beautiful one. Enjoy this amazing time. May you never lack. May all your heart desire come to pass. Beautiful one, enjoy your day. And on that note, Amber power that's so.